Ever wondered why the stock market is so unpredictable? It's a question that has puzzled even the most seasoned investors. The stock market, in its essence, is a public marketplace for buying, selling, and trading shares of publicly listed companies. These shares represent a slice of ownership in a company and are a way for businesses to raise capital. However, the value of these shares is not static. It fluctuates, sometimes wildly, based on a multitude of factors. The performance of the company, economic indicators, geopolitical events, and even public sentiment can all influence market movements. This constant ebb and flow is what makes the stock market so unpredictable. Let's delve a bit deeper. Imagine you own shares in a tech company. If the company reports strong earnings, your shares could increase in value. Conversely, if there's a recession and people are cutting back on spending, the company's profits might take a hit, and your shares could lose value. But that's not all. The stock market is also influenced by dividends, which are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders. Companies with a consistent history of paying dividends are often seen as more stable, which can boost their share price. However, if a company suddenly stops paying dividends, it could signal financial trouble, causing its share price to drop. And then there's trading. Every day, millions of shares are bought and sold on the stock market. The sheer volume of transactions can cause prices to fluctuate. If more people are buying shares than selling, prices will go up. If more people are selling than buying, prices will go down. So you see, the stock market isn't just unpredictable, it's a living, breathing entity influenced by a myriad of factors. It's akin to a complex beast, one that can be tamed but never fully controlled. So, it's clear that the stock market is a complex beast with many influencing factors, but don't worry, we're here to help you understand it better. Now that we know the stock market is unpredictable, let's delve deeper into its components. The stock market is a complex system, but it's built on a few simple building blocks. First, we have shares. Think of shares as pieces of a company that you can own. When you buy a share, you're buying a small part of that company. The more shares you own, the larger the part of the company you hold. Next, we have dividends. These are a portion of a company's earnings that are distributed to shareholders. Not every company offers dividends, but those that do typically pay them on a regular basis. Dividends can provide a steady income stream, separate from the potential gains or losses of the share price. Then comes trading. This is the act of buying and selling shares. It's done through a stock exchange, a sort of marketplace for shares. There are many stock exchanges around the world, each with its own unique characteristics. The New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq are two of the most well-known. Lastly, let's talk about investment strategies. These are plans of action designed to achieve specific investment goals. Some investors aim for quick profits through short-term trading, while others prefer a slow and steady approach, investing in stable companies that show consistent growth. Understanding these concepts is crucial for successful investing. Shares represent ownership in a company. Dividends provide a return on investment. Trading is the mechanism by which shares are bought and sold. And investment strategies guide the decisions you make in the market. Remember, every investor has a unique set of goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Therefore, no one-size-fits-all strategy exists. The key is to understand these basic concepts and apply them in a way that aligns with your personal investing style and financial goals. Understanding these basic concepts is the first step towards successful investing. But what happens when things don't go as planned? Every opportunity comes with its fair share of risks and rewards, and the stock market is no different. In the world of investing, the stock market is often seen as a platform for potential fortune and prosperity. But let's not gloss over the fact that it also poses significant risks. It's like a double-edged sword, where the edge that cuts for you today could turn against you tomorrow. Risk is the possibility that your investments may not provide the expected returns, or worse, that you could lose some or all of your invested capital. These risks can be due to a variety of factors such as market volatility, economic downturns, or poor company performance. On the flip side, the stock market also offers substantial rewards. The prospect of high returns and the ability to build wealth over time is the carrot that draws many of us to the stock market. It's the chance to be a part of a company's growth story and to share in its profits. But how do we balance these risks and rewards? The answer lies in effective risk management strategies. Diversification, for instance, is a key strategy to mitigate risk. It involves spreading your investments across different types of assets and sectors to reduce your exposure to any single investment. Another strategy is to have a clear investment plan that defines your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. This plan should guide your investment decisions and help you avoid impulsive trades driven by market noise. Lastly, continual learning and staying informed about market trends and news can also help you navigate the market's ups and downs. Knowledge is power, and in the stock market, it can be the difference between making a profit and suffering a loss. In conclusion, the stock market is a realm of risks and rewards. It's a game where the stakes are high, but with careful planning, informed decision-making, and effective risk management, you can tilt the odds in your favor. While the potential rewards can be high, it's crucial to understand and manage the inherent risks. Armed with the basics, you're now ready to explore different investment strategies. It's like stepping into a grand library, with each strategy a book waiting to be opened, each one offering a unique path towards financial growth. Let's dive into a few key strategies that have proven effective for many investors. First up, long-term investing. This is the strategy of buying and holding investments for years, even decades. You've probably heard the phrase, time in the market beats timing the market. This sentiment embodies the essence of long-term investing. It's about riding out the market's ups and downs, focusing on the potential for growth over the long haul. Think of it like planting a seed and patiently waiting for it to grow into a sturdy tree. Next, we have short-term trading, a strategy that involves buying and selling stocks within a short time frame, often within a single day. This strategy is for those who prefer a more hands-on approach, who thrive on the thrill of rapid-fire decision-making. It's like being a chef in a high-pressure kitchen, constantly adjusting the heat to get the dish just right. Then there's diversification, the strategy of spreading your investments across a variety of assets. This could mean investing in different industries, geographic regions, or types of securities. Diversification is like a well-balanced meal. Just as you wouldn't want to fill your plate with only one type of food, you wouldn't want your portfolio to be dominated by one type of investment. Each of these strategies has its strengths and weaknesses. Long-term investing may yield significant returns over time, but it requires patience. Short-term trading can offer quick profits, but it carries higher risk. Diversification can help cushion against losses, but it may limit your potential gains. The key is to choose a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you saving for retirement or looking to make a quick buck? Are you comfortable with taking on more risk for potentially higher returns, or would you prefer a safer, more steady approach? Remember, the right strategy is one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. So, what does the future hold for the stock market? The world of investing is not static. It's a living, breathing entity that evolves with the times. As we look towards the horizon, there are several trends that are poised to shape the future of investing. Firstly, let's talk about robo-advisors. These automated platforms use algorithms to manage investments, minimizing the need for human intervention. They're efficient, cost-effective, and are perfect for those who prefer a hands-off approach. The rise of robo-advisors signifies a shift towards a more democratized investing landscape, where sophisticated investment strategies are no longer reserved for the elite. Next, we have the growing importance of sustainable investing. Investors are increasingly conscious of the impact their money can have on the world. They're looking beyond financial returns, seeking out companies that align with their values and contribute positively to society. This trend towards ethical investing is reshaping the market, forcing companies to consider not just their bottom line, but their impact on the environment and communities. Then there's the role of technology. We're in the midst of a digital revolution, and the investment sphere is no exception. Blockchain, artificial intelligence, big data, these aren't just buzzwords. They're tools that are transforming how we invest. Blockchain promises increased transparency and security. AI can analyze market trends with unprecedented speed and accuracy, and big data allows for more informed decision-making. The integration of these technologies is creating a more efficient and intelligent investment landscape. But amidst all these changes, some things remain constant. The principles of understanding the market, managing risks, and aligning investments with your goals. These fundamentals will always be at the heart of investing. They're the compass that guides us through the ever-changing investment landscape. The future of investing looks exciting and technology-driven. But no matter the changes, the fundamentals of understanding the market, managing risks, and aligning investments with your goals remain key.